What's up, turtles? Guys are doing a little sunbathing, I see. Same with these ducks. Soaking in the sunshine. Awfully quiet out here. Which is a good thing. Everybody's self-distancing. Looks like these turtles are even staying a little far away from each other there. But I am out enjoying the sunshine. And I figured I'd take you guys along with me. Everybody's doing their part and staying safe and healthy by keeping distance. But I figured with everything going on, a peaceful little walk would do the trick. This little trail here is in East County, Gresham. All throughout this little path here, they've got these bridges too. I love these old school planks too, and all throughout Oregon there's covered bridges and bicycles. What's up, bud? How you doing? A couple guys riding their BMX through here. Good little trail for that. If you guys notice, they're staying pretty far apart, so everybody's being respectful and courteous to the law. Help keep everybody safe during these hard times. I myself am finding this time to enjoy nature and still take caution, but just get out and really enjoy life, really. I appreciate you guys a lot. I couldn't stress that enough throughout the last, geez, it's been a while, almost 3 years now we've been creeping. Seems like time flies. Love this little stream that runs through here. So yeah, it's awfully quiet, like I said, which is a good thing. And I hope you guys are staying safe and playing it safe. This is like more or less day 3 or 4 of pretty much every state's of their mayors and governors ordering people to social distance. So they said hikes and getting out to enjoy nature is still good. So we're playing it safe. And like I said, keeping our distance, but still getting out and staying healthy. I think that's very key right now and throughout this whole trail. Little places to chill. This will definitely be a time to remember but like I said, and I said on the last vlog, and I definitely meant it, was the fact that we all are in this together, and we'll all end up getting through this together as well. So the best thing to do, in my opinion, is to, like I can't stress enough, play it safe and keep your distance, but also really get out and enjoy things. There is a tremendous amount of outside activities in Oregon, but like I said, for now they're allowing that, so that's a good thing. And just to stay healthy and active. How you doing?
All right, how are you?
Good, buddy. Oh, I almost fell back there too. Talking about staying safe, I should watch where I'm walking. I wanted to kind of do him a favor there and stay off this, you know, out of his way and stuff, but I almost just about ate it. But I love you guys for tuning in very much, and make sure you guys hit that thumbs up now. You can ring that little bell, that way when I creep, you guys will be the first to creep. And like always, do tell me how you're feeling in the comment section. I'd love to fill things out and talk to all you guys about what's going on with you, how you're feeling, and things of that nature. So I'm gonna leave you guys with one more little shot here of this beautiful little stream down here. If you guys can see behind me, there's still people out and about. So it's a good thing that people are still staying healthy, but playing it safe as well. So like I said, that's gonna do it for now, and I'll keep you guys updated to the situation here in Oregon. But until then, I love you guys. Peace, you guys.